what we want to do is in this session, is to run the MTF. Before running an MTF, we need to calibrate for the designated camera that we're using. Once we've calibrated, then we can go ahead and run the test. Calibration needs to be done every time we change the camera, change the field of view, change the camera type. So this is one of the things that once we set up a camera, we run a calibration and we have the output of the calibration. We don't need to run it every time as long as we're using the same camera. So we need to select, in this case, one of the MTF calibration. If I double click on the parameter list, we see we have the black body temperature, we have the source stage that we need to select, we need the target, and we need to select we can run it either on a square target or a 4-bar target. Usually the rule of thumb is to use the largest target that we can display, so we minimize any kind of error. The vision channel, the vision device that we're using is already selected. It's the analog vision, analog frame grabber, and you see already the image on the display. And there are two more parameters we need to set. One is the frames to average and the region of interest. So look, the number of frames is reducing the noise in the system, and the region of interest needs to be selected such that it the transition between the black and white or to emulate the step target. The output would be the I-fold or the calculated I-fold of in each direction, and the maximum frequency meaning the cutoff frequency of the system. I didn't change anything, so we can either save or not save. So now I start running. Selecting the square target. Target wheel is moving. And the main window should open momentarily. We see we have the target displayed. We have now a prompt that says select a target or the region of interest slightly larger than the square target is displayed. So we see the square target. The region of interest is already set up. It remembers the last time you set it up. Click on the OK button and test run. So now we see that it's found the best fit. We have an answer. This is the I-fold, and this is the cutoff frequency of 5 cycles per milliradian. Great. So now we want to run the MTF test. We double click on the MTF to make sure that everything's set up. Again, we see that we're linked to the horizontal I-fold of the system, which was measured before the MTF calibration. And we have the correct vision device, which is the same frame grabber. We have a lot of, we set the number of frames to 200. We can change that maybe to 100. We can experiment with that and find the best MTF. Again, the ROI is we can pre-select it or run it during the test, or set it during the test. Let's run the test. Okay, suppose one, the pre-test is already set up. Now it's going to change to the step target. We need to find the ROI with the step target. Okay, we move it here, click on the OK button. Image is being calculated. These are the frequency test points that we set up in the test setup. They can be modified, of course, and we're waiting for a result. Okay, so we can see the different results here, the LSS, MTF, the script function, and whatever. Thank you.